In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free PegE tokens in Monopoly Go. Whether you're a seasoned Monopoly player or new to the game, these tips will help you boost your token count and enhance your gaming experience. To get started, first, you'll want to open the Monopoly Go mobile app on your device. This is where all the action happens, so make sure you have it ready and updated to the latest version. Once you're in the app, head over to your profile. Your profile page is your hub for accessing different features and keeping track of your progress in the game. Now, let's claim some free tokens. Within the app, look for the PegE pen. It's an exciting feature that allows you to score some free PegE tokens just for being part of the Monopoly Go community. Check regularly so you don't miss out on these bonuses. Next, don't forget to collect your 8-hour gift. This is a special reward feature that refreshes every 8 hours, giving you the chance to claim even more tokens without any extra work. Make it a habit to log in and grab your gift whenever it becomes available. After that, direct your attention to Quick Win. Quick Win is a fantastic way to stack up additional tokens on a daily basis. By participating and completing the Quick Win tasks every day, you can earn between 5 to 7 PegE tokens. Staying consistent with these wins can significantly increase your token reserves over time. It's also crucial to always collect your free gifts. Whenever the game offers you a freebie, make sure you accept it. These small boosts can accumulate and give you an edge in gaining tokens more quickly. While you're at it, ensure you hit that collect button whenever an opportunity presents itself. Remember, daily completion of quick wins isn't just a suggestion, it's a must. This routine will not only make sure you're getting your fair share of tokens, but it will also keep your momentum going in the game. These tokens can be your ticket to unlocking new game features and enjoying Monopoly Go to its fullest. Finally, don't neglect the events and tournaments that run within the game. These are excellent opportunities to maximize your token collection. Completing events and performing well in tournaments can offer substantial rewards, including PegE tokens. Stay engaged with the game's ongoing events to make the most of these opportunities. By incorporating these steps into your daily gameplay, you'll be well on your way to accumulating a wealth of PegE tokens in Monopoly Go. Enjoy your token hunting and have fun enhancing your game experience. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.